Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, greetings everyone, especially to my faithful viewers, my faithful watchers to my channel, The Diary of Thankful FIL-AM Nonna. Here I am again, and I would like to share with you this intro because my talking point is about me cooking spicy Korean noodles, but it is just mild. Okay, so I woke up very late, so I took a quick shower, then went downstairs. Then I was really craving for noodles, but I would want to cook it like a Korean food. So I'm happy, I'm glad that my husband, when he went to the Korean supermarket, he bought me a mild potato bean chili paste. So I'm going to let you know that I've used that to this Korean noodles that I have cooked, and it looks good, and I also tasted it, and it was really good. So my craving was satisfied, and this is my intro, and the following clips I will show to you how I cook it. So this is my first time to record a cooking episode, so please bear with me. I have so many mistakes, but since I have already recorded it, I beg you to just bear with me, because I think I didn't do I did not do the focusing, the right focus of the camera. So but I just continued to record my first cooking episode, which is called the Nonna Cooks Korean Mild Spicy Noodles. Okay, so and before I'll show those clips to you, I would like to thank you in advance now, because I may not be able to record an ending episode thanking all those faithful viewers in this episode, in this vlog. So I have to say, God bless you always, my faithful viewers, my future subscribers. Please like and subscribe. Your subscriptions will mean a lot to me. You know, I am very new to YouTube, and my channel is called The Diary of Thankful FIL-AM Nonna. God bless you all, and may you always receive all the blessings in life from the Lord Almighty. So I love you all, and keep watching. Thank you. Love you all. Oh, I apologize. I'm back. I said goodbye, but I did not share my biblical passage. No, I did not say goodbye. I'm just, I said all my love from this previous episode, but I did not share with you the biblical passage. So, for this episode, this first cooking episode, which is Nonna Cooks mild spicy noodles with potato bean chili paste, mild chili paste. So I would just share with you my biblical passage, because I don't want to leave my vlog without any biblical passage, because it makes me feel good sharing it, because even if I share my interpretation, those who are listening, those who are watching, they may have realized that there is an interpretation in their heart that would apply to their lives. So let me share it with you, the biblical passage, which is from 71, Psalm 71, Psalm chapter 71, verse 12. God, be not far from me. My God, hasten to help me. Amen. Okay, this is very appropriate biblical passage in our present time, especially those like me, Asian American citizen, and most of us are suffering from violence, from being hated. But please, the Lord is there to help us. So don't lose hope. Don't keep an open mind that some days things will be better. Some days we will have a positive life again. Some days we will have some days or every day the Lord is here with us to help us in our struggles here in life. So that's it. I know you will have your own interpretation in your heart, and you know, you will feel it. It is more appropriate in the life that you are living in right now. So again, the second time, I have to say all my love. Please continue to watch my next clips wherein I am cooking this mild Korean noodles, mild Korean spicy noodles with my potato bean chili paste. So please continue viewing my next clips that are part of these vlogs, and so you will know how I cook it, and just be patient with me. This is my first time to do the cooking episode, and I am learning from it. I know it will be a long run that I will be able to learn it, because you know I am not so much an expert in technology. So love you all. God bless you. Love you all. Good Sunday morning, my faithful viewers, my faithful watchers. I just woke up really late, so it's almost lunchtime. Good Sunday morning. Then I just quickly wash myself, quick shower and everything, because I'm already craving for food. But the food that I'm craving right now is a Korean noodles with potato bean chili paste. That's what I'm going to do, because I can control the spiciness of the food that I'm going to cook. So I am presenting to you my ingredients. This one, minced onions, okay, onion powder, garlic powder, and I have my ginisa of Mamacita. Do you see that? This is Mamacita. Okay, this is Mamacita. It's okay. That's my secret. And I have carrots, almost 1 cup, 1/2 cup. I have 1 cup of lettuce. Yes, you hear it right. It's lettuce. I don't have pechay. I don't have bok choy. So I'm going to use it. I usually use it long time ago whenever I'm craving to make noodles. And for flavor, this is the good one. My beef stew that I can add. This is a beef stew cooked like a bulgogi, so it will taste like a bulgogi when I'm done with my cooking of my noodles. And you will notice I also have this. Okay, this is green onions or scallions. I'm going to use this as a topping, or I will just mix it. I will think about it when I do the cooking. And for topping, I have 2 eggs, so it will look good, like for presentation, okay? And I'm using 3 packs of ramen noodles. So I don't usually use the shortenings, the flavoring, the flavorings that come with it, because it's too salty. So I'm making my own. All the ingredients, and also how I will be able to control the saltiness. And this one, my husband bought me this. This is potato bean chili paste, and if you notice, it has a mild spiciness, and I'll be using like 1 tablespoon of that. Like this. Do you see this? This is a 1 tablespoon that I'm going to use. So, and I'll be also doing like an Italian thing. They usually put olive oil on top of it, then mix it after everything is cooked, and and this makes your noodles very flavorful. So this is what I'm going to do. While I'm waiting for the water to boil, just you should know, all this minced onion, I'm going to have it 1 tablespoon. I'm going to have the onion powder 1 tablespoon. I'm going to have the garlic 1 tablespoon. And in addition to the pangginisa of Mamacita. This pangginisa of Mamacita has helped me a lot. Did you hear that? My pots is boiling now, so I think I have to go there now, and see you in a bit. Bye. So I'm putting the meat first. This is chunky meat, bulgogi, and to make the flavor more better. But ahead of that, I already put the onions, the garlic, all the powdered ones, and the minced onions. So I think that would be enough for that bulgogi thing. But I need to add more water, because I was thinking that will not be good enough. So I microwave it. I microwave that thing, and it will be boiling. Let me put another one. This one. So, and I'm going to put the ginisa. I know this is more flavorful with all of this thing that I put, but I'm just saying I want a very strong flavor of my noodles, Korean noodles. And right now I need to put this. I have to put this one because this is hard, so it has to be cooked first, along with I'm here again. I'm along with these noodles. I hope I'm doing it the right thing, because this is my first time that I've been doing this with video. So here it is. Let me let me time it for another 10 minutes, because okay, I'm doing the timing. Then I have to do I said I'm going to put only potato bean chili paste for just one tablespoon, because one heapful of tablespoon, because I really want to have Korean noodles. Usually when we go to Korean supermarket, they have a like a fast food there. Not really it's not really fast food, because you have to order the food that you're going to have, and they're going to cook it. So it is very convenient, because they're cooking it on the dot, on the spot. So the soup, the water has turned red now, and I hope it's not really that spicy. Then once this noodles has been tenderized, has been softened, I'm going to put the lettuce, not bok choy, because I don't have bok choy. So I'll be putting that. So all the flavors will be blended. And as the Korean said, don't cook the noodles like very long, because it will turn soggy. So while I'm doing this, just I told you, this is like a combination of cooking Korean noodles and also my husband's Italian noodles. Usually he would, after when it is almost cooked, he's going to have it like put the olive oil. That's what I'm going to do. I put the olive oil. As you should know, I'm running around in this kitchen because just like that, that's it, because all my ingredients are in the other room, because and I apologize, that's my Chiki, the queen of the house, the queen of the home. She's hearing a dog barking outside, and she would want to participate too. And I have my green scallions. I'm mixing it, if you notice. Then after that, I'm going to have the eggs in the middle. Cook it with I know what to do. You know, I'm learning how to video the cooking. So what I would do is put the noodles first. Put the noodles first in this one. Put the noodles first in the bowl. Actually, I haven't tasted my food. I'm sorry about that. So, but it must be good, because whatever the flavoring is, it will be blended. So what I'm doing now, I'm putting all this one in this bowl, which I'm having difficulty because I didn't cut all the noodles, and I'm having this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just put like what I see in my mom, my Italian mom. He would make us a in the middle. That's where the egg is. Okay, that's what I'm doing now. I'm only going to have like one egg. Then I'm waiting it to be cooked using the hot soup before I put soup on my noodles. Okay, it's not yet doing it. It's like my 10-minute cooking time will be off soon, but I want my egg cooked like medium well using this soup. So I'm waiting for it to be medium well. Okay, that would be enough. It's not really medium well because I can still see the egg yolk not turning light color, because when you cook an egg yolk, if it's still very dark, it means the inside of it, it's not raw, but okay, well, that's what I'm going to do. It's about, this is it. I'm trying to make it right. Okay, it's turning some of that topmost part of the egg. It's turning white. It means it's cooking properly, cooking right, but it's taking my time, and I'm so hungry now. Oh Lord, I'm really so hungry. This will be my brunch, and let me see if I haven't tasted it. I don't have the time to taste it. I'll just do what, you know, like when you want to cook, just do it like, I think this would be enough for me. Okay, then put it in the middle. If you notice, I put it in the middle. I'm going to turn off the thing because I need to get more soup. It's really boiling hot, but the soup will be gone because it was monopolized, overpowered by the noodles, but I'm okay with that. So here it is, and let me wipe the corner and some garnish here. Okay, I'm almost done. Then let me so for better presentation, did you hear that? That's my, or better, this is it. This is my Korean noodles with potato bean chili paste. Bon appetit, and see you in a bit. Okay. See you in a bit. Here is my finished food, breakfast food, or maybe it's a brunch. Korean noodles in potato with potato bean chili paste. So I'll be using, so I would like to feel like Korean. I'm using Korean spoon and Korean chopsticks. So I'd like to say thank you for being so patient with me, because this is my first time that I've been I videoed a record a cooking of noodles. If I like the way I did it, maybe I'll be doing cooking food, recording food to satisfy myself. I'm so hungry now. I haven't tasted this yet, but let me see if it will work. I'm going to taste it with my chopstick. I'll just eat first this one. You notice this one, and let me taste it. Tastes good. 1 tablespoon of chili paste is good enough. It doesn't bite you so much. There is like a little bite, chili paste bite, but it will not overwhelm you. It's really good. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in a bit because I have to continue recording for my biblical passage, and I'd like to say goodbye for now. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless you always. Love you all.